total stock option has now been added to the finishing area for 2.5D features. Here we have a simple mould plate. If I run through a 3D simulation, you'll notice we have a few holes and a side operation on the inside. All I want to do now to finish off the part is to run a toolpath around the outside of the stock boundary. This will make sure that my plate is nice and square. To do this, I'm going to select a curve around the outside. I'm going to go in and create a new feature, a side feature with that curve. Just check my depth is good. Choose next, next, and next until I get to the strategy page. Now, in previous versions of FeatureCAM, I would have had to keep the roughing on and set the total stock and the roughing before actually turning the roughing off. But now I can turn the rough off before I create the feature. Choose Finish, and then under the Finishing tab, under Milling, you'll notice we now have a total stock value. I can go in and set this. In this case, I'm just going to set it to 0 to get a finishing pass around the outside. Apply, preview that toolpath, and I get my toolpath around the outside of the part. I can run a final 3D simulation. To show my machining operation.